with everything going on at the moment, today I thought I would do a video on my new coffee machine that some of you have seen on my Instagram. I thought I'll just do a how to clean video, as I haven't got many of these at the moment. I'm just trying to build them up, and with the new lockdown rules announced, it looks unlikely that I'll be able to now do my shop with me's and my haul videos that I'd normally do. So I'm going to see in December if I can go back to them. If not, I might have to miss it this year and do it next year when things are in more of a clearer picture. So with that, I'm just going to start cleaning my coffee machine and put you all on time lapse, and I'll tell you how that's done.
When we wake,
I'm just going to start by getting a bag out the drawer to put in the used pods, as Nespresso do a recycling program, but as I haven't bought any pods from them at the moment, I haven't got a recycling bag, so I'm just using this Joseph biodegradable one, which is for my bin, for my vegetables and my food waste.
but things are finally right. With you and I, the future.
The drawer will hold about 15 pods. This was from about a week, but it all depends how many coffees you have a week. It does fill up quite quickly in a week if you have 1 or 2 coffees a day. That's just some hot chocolate from one of the pods I bought off Amazon. I can always link that below. And I just decided to go off now and swill that out, so it's nice and clean.
Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
The second stage is to clean out your drip tray. Now mine was too full here, so I did spill some out the back, as where it spilled out a little bit out the back, it's where your excess water goes when it's cleaning through the machine as well. So I'm just going to start washing it up here and cleaning it out and giving it a wipe over with hot soapy water. You'll have to excuse some of my washing up. I did do this later, but I just want to say there is a little red float in your drip tray which will rise up when it's time to empty it and it's getting rather full. But I'll try and always do this before, so you don't end up like me and throw it all over the floor, as this is where any excess water from when the Wander's purged goes in. I'm just now cleaning out the pod drawer, as this was quite dirty as well. Like I said earlier, it had cocoa in, so I just washed that quite thoroughly and dried it out, left it to dry on the side, and then I dried it with a tea towel.
What we had when we were younger, we were never running out of time. As long as we had each other, oh, everything was black and white. Driving in a car, never knowing how far we go. When we were younger, when we were younger.
I then just took my microfiber cloth and sprayed some Fabulosa spray on it, some disinfectant, and wiped all over the silver, as there is strict instructions that come with the Creatista Plus machine that says about using harsh chemicals and certain things. You can only use certain detergents, etc. on the machine itself, because it can damage the metal coating.
When we were younger, we were never running out of time. As long as we had each other, oh, everything was black and white. Driving in a car, never knowing how far we go.
I'm just took out the mini espresso drawer, which you sit your mini espresso cup on to give it a good wipe. As I thought I'd get everything out and clean out the area as well. While I was doing a bit of a weekly deep clean, I thought I'd clean out all inside the pod drawer, and I'd clean underneath the metal drawer for the mini espresso. I haven't had a mini espresso yet, but it still gets dirty as it's all connected up with the pod drawer and the water running through it.
Never running out of time. As long as we had each other, oh, everything was black and white. When we were young.
I just got a tea towel now to wipe over the silver parts. It's lovely having a silver coffee machine, but it can take a lot of maintenance to clean any greasy finger marks off or any watermarks once you've wiped it over. So I took a little bit of time to wipe this off and just check it over for any marks, any scratches and things like that. I'm just removing the water tank so I can freshen up the water and get this special key. This key is just underneath the water tank on your Creatista Plus, and it is to clean the steam wand. I don't know if everyone knows about this, but I had watched another video on YouTube and had seen it, but some people probably aren't aware. You just want to put it in each hole then, with the little pin in each hole, and turn it slightly just to make sure there's no milk blocking it, and it will purge then and keep the holes clear for cleaning purposes as well as frothing purposes. Building up my coffee machine again by putting the drip tray back in first. This just snaps into place. You should hear it as you're pushing it into the machine. I'll just put the pod drawer back as well and checked the pod compartment where you'll put your pods to start making your coffee to check there was nothing in there. The Creatista Plus is a bit funny to find your settings. You have to go right to left instead of left to right. So you're turning the dial anti-clockwise. I'm just going through all the settings to find the purge feature, which I think is last. It's after the milk, before settings, as this is automatic when you make each drink, and you only need to do it manually like this when doing a weekly clean of your machine. As you can see here, the water is just cleaning out of the machine, and it's just running a cycle through the steam wand at pressure just to make sure it's all cleaned out.
Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car.
Well, I hope you enjoyed this how to clean your Creatista Plus video. It's something a bit different, like I said earlier, due to the ongoing lockdowns that we keep having in the UK. So I hope this helped some of you who've got this coffee machine or have got similar machines. It is a very good machine, but it is important to do this clean at least once a week, as it keeps on top. And when I complained about my first machine to the lady at Nespresso, she did say you need to be aware to clean your machine every week, and then it will just keep on top. She'd like, you know, you clean your property, wouldn't you, and your car and things. So cleaning your coffee machine, she said it makes the coffee taste better. And when you saw me cleaning with the little pick for the frother, she said that's one of the main things as well, that can get blocked up with different things and milk and stuff as the nozzle goes into the milk. So if you don't clean it once a week, it'll all just build up and won't work as effectively. So it's all important to keep on top of your machine, to keep it in tip-top condition, and then it won't void the warranty either. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe below. I'd also appreciate any comments that you may have as well about my videos or anything you'd like to see in the future, and I can add it to my video list and look at making them as well, as long as it goes with all the COVID rules and laws and that. I'm more than happy to make them. Okay, that's everything for now then, and I hope you're all well. Bye!